Hello, fellow travelers and history enthusiasts. Welcome back to Travel Troop. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to one of the most iconic and historically rich cities in the world, Athens. Nestled in the heart of Greece, Athens is a treasure trove of ancient wonders, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Join us as we unveil the top 5 must-visit places in this captivating city. 1. The Acropolis. The Acropolis, often referred to as the Sacred Rock, is an archaeological masterpiece that stands as a testament to human achievement. This ancient citadel is home to some of the most iconic structures in the world, with the crowning jewel being the Parthenon. The Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, is a marvel of classical Greek architecture. Its pristine marble columns, intricate friezes, and timeless design will leave you in awe. As you stroll through the Acropolis, you also discover the Erechtheion, the Odeon of Herodes Atticus, and the Theatre of Dionysus, which hosted some of history's greatest theatrical performances. Not only does the Acropolis offer a window into the past, but it also provides panoramic views of Athens. The breathtaking cityscape, with its mix of modernity and ancient history, is a sight to behold. 2. Panathenaic Stadium. The Panathenaic Stadium in Athens is a living testament to ancient and modern athleticism. Crafted entirely from white marble, this historic arena hosted the Panathenaic Games in 330 BC and was restored to its former glory for the inaugural modern Olympic Games in 1896. It's not just a stadium, it's a timeless amphitheater of human achievement. As you step onto its hallowed ground, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient athletes and modern Olympians who once raced on these tracks. Feel the weight of history as you stand at the very spot where the first marathon began. It's more than a stadium, it's an Olympic dream etched in stone. 3. Ancient Agora. The ancient Agora, or marketplace, was the beating heart of ancient Athens. It's where Socrates engaged in philosophical discussions, where democracy was born, and where the Athenians came to exchange goods and ideas. As you explore this open-air museum, you'll encounter fascinating ruins, including the Stoa of Attilos, the Temple of Hephaestus, and the Bouleutherion, where the city's council met. Standing amidst these ancient columns, you can't help but ponder the profound ideas that shaped our world. It's a place that reminds us of the enduring power of knowledge and democracy. 4. Delphi. Delphi, the mystical jewel of Greece, cradled within the rugged slopes of Mount Parnassus, beckons you to uncover its secrets. Once regarded as the center of the world by ancient Greeks, Delphi is a place where myth and reality converge. Wander through the serene ruins of the Temple of Apollo, where the oracle once whispered cryptic prophecies, and the theater, where voices of ancient performers still echo. As you ascend the sacred way, the awe-inspiring landscape unfolds before you, revealing the breathtaking beauty that inspired poets and philosophers. Delphi is not merely a destination, it's a pilgrimage into the heart of Greece's mythical past, where the whispers of gods and legends linger on the mountain breeze. 5. Syntagma Square and the Changing of the Guard. Syntagma Square, located in the heart of Athens, is a bustling hub of activity and a symbol of the city's modern identity. But what truly steals the show here is the changing of the guard ceremony at the tomb of the unknown soldier. Every hour, the Edzones, dressed in their traditional attire, perform this elaborate ceremony with precision and grace. It's a mesmerizing spectacle that pays homage to Greece's history and traditions. After witnessing this captivating event, take a moment to explore the vibrant shops, cafes, and hotels surrounding the square. It's a testament to how Athens has seamlessly blended its ancient roots with contemporary life. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Our journey through Athens, the city of gods and philosophers, has come to an end. From the Acropolis to Plaka, from the ancient Agora to the National Archaeological Museum, and finally to Syntagma Square, this city is a treasure trove of history, culture, and beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and explore this remarkable destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, safe travels.